Now, I have been talking about a lot of altcoins that will 100x in the past couple of weeks, and in today's video, I think I just found another one called Credefi. Credi, which is a token on a market cap of $24.5 million, and it is a really low market cap token. Now, in the past couple of months, in the past year, it has pumped really nicely, and it's at a point where it's sort of going to bounce off of. It's at an accumulation stage where a lot of new investors are about to buy into Credefi. Now, the potential of Credefi is there, and it's a token that I think has a lot of potential to 100x. And by 100x, I mean it's going to go into the billions in market cap. It could most potentially reach 2 billion, 4 billion, and it's that sort of token. Now, I'm going to be going over 3 things in today's video on why I am supremely bullish on this token, on this project. And the 3 things are its robust framework, its transparency that it's offering, and the risk assessment, and of course, last but not least, its innovative utility of the token Credi and the numerous advantages of buying the token Credi. Now, of course, nothing on this channel is financial advice, so if you do want to buy into the tokens that I usually talk about on this channel, then you must seek a professional financial advisor. Now, when I do talk about these altcoins, right, I usually talk about altcoins under 50 million market cap. Anything over 50 million market cap could be a potential buy if it is a really solid project. But, you know, if you want to be making the millions or these sort of 6 figures in today's market or in this bull run, then you must be getting into tokens very early. And by early, I mean you must be getting into tokens at a really low market cap. Now, in the past couple of weeks, I've been speaking about tokens like Panda, BeFi Labs, DChat, Inspect, which are really low market cap at around 10 million to 17 million market cap. And this one, it is at 24 million market cap. Now, when I did want to speak about this, it was at a really low market cap at around 10 million. And as you can see on the right side, a really good indication of actually seeing whether this is a very bullish project is just by looking at the sort of coin market cap community side itself, and a lot of people are really bullish on Credi. Now, it's a token that has a really innovative utility that I'm going to be going over, and a massive community, a very tight-knit community that backs the project to its fullest. But yeah, what is Credefi? If we actually head over to their website is very professionally made, by the way, and yeah, it has a platform which offers a robust and multi-layered security mechanism to protect the assets of its users with reduced risk of volatility associated with traditional crypto investments. So it's providing a huge sort of a multi-layered security mechanism to protect your investments. Now, what is Credefi doing and what are the team doing, right? They are essentially trying to innovate or sort of revolutionize the alternative lending industry and making a real difference in the lives of individuals and businesses alike. Now, their CEO is Ivo Grigorov, and he has a really good sort of ambition towards where he sees this project sort of going in the near future, and of course by the end of this bull market, and of course in the future. He goes on to say, "I am proud to lead a company that is committed to making a positive impact on the world." So he has a lot of experience as well with the overall team, but yeah, let's just have a look at sort of their mission and what Credefi is all about. Welcome to Credefi, the innovative lending platform that offers a crypto lending collateralized with real-world assets. Their mission is to essentially bridge the gap in debt financing in the European Union and facilitate real-world impact by providing fair and accessible lending solutions to small and mid-sized enterprises in the region. With Credefi, you can access reliable loans backed by a range of real-world assets, including real estate, future receivables, and more. But as you can see with that description itself, you can see this is a big time project, right? It's a big timer, and they have a really good team behind this. It has some really good utility, by the way, with the token Credi itself, right? It's a token that's essentially integral to the Credefi's ecosystem, offering advantages such as reduced fees, enhanced security, collateral safeguards, and increased APY, adding considerable value to stakeholders, right? Those of you guys who are staking the project. Now, where can you buy Credefi? I'll be linking it in the description down below. You guys could find Credi on KuCoin or even trade it on Uniswap or PancakeSwap. It is on the BNB BEP20 chain, and of course the Ethereum chain. And of course, if you guys would want to have the lowest fees possible, I would recommend buying on BNB, but it's completely up to you. So you guys could buy it on PancakeSwap, and I believe that is the only sort of central exchange that they have on KuCoin. Oh, they have Bitmart too, so you guys could buy it on Bitmart as well if you're not sort of confident in KuCoin. I'm sure you guys know what happened with KuCoin in the past couple of months. But yeah, with Bitcoin too, it is the right time to get into a lot of these altcoins because Bitcoin is starting to make its sort of move. Is it going to go down or is it going to go up? This is the time where we actually find out at the end of April, right? It's sort of nearing to May now, and of course we're about to get a sort of movement with Bitcoin, and we're going to see where it's going to sort of head. Now I've put on two sort of markers on yellow and orange is where I feel like it's going to bounce off of, and yellow was the mark where I thought was the golden buy, where I think the lowest it will go for Bitcoin at this stage. And of course this has been a really good sort of accumulation stage for those of you guys who have been late on the Bitcoin run, those of you guys who didn't buy it all the way down here where I told you guys to. But yeah, sort of the golden area was the yellow mark where I think it would be the lowest area, and then the next bounce will be the orange mark where I think this will be the next buy zone, and then from there I think it will then continue up. Once it does continue up, a lot of these altcoins like Credefi are going to bounce with huge with a huge surge of buys, and as you can see, it looks like it sort of pumped from its sort of zone over here, where I think is the floor for Credefi. So this is the best time to sort of buy into these altcoins, especially Credefi. As you can see, it's coming to its point where it bounced from here, bounced from here, bounced from here, bounced from here, and it started to make some higher sort of not higher highs but higher bounces, which is a really good indication that it's going to do a really good continuation. Now I've spoken about a lot of these tokens like DMTR, Sidus, which have pumped really good, and Credefi I think is going to be the next one in line. Now, what do I mean by its robust framework? Why do I think they have a robust framework? Credefi's platform offers a robust and multi-layered security mechanism to protect the assets of its users with reduced risk. Now, how can you guys use the platform? If you actually head over to the website and look on the platform on the top right corner, click on it, and then you guys could sign in and create your account, and then you guys could start start from there. Is my money safe with Credefi? Yes, it is. But yeah, guys, you guys could be buying this token on KuCoin and of course PancakeSwap. Really bullish on Credefi. It's not financial advice, of course, but if you haven't already, subscribe to Crypto Nation, and yeah, I'll be giving you guys a lot of updates on these tokens. But yeah, it's been Credefi. But yeah, it's been the Crypto Nation, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.